de ce crime. 3. À l'unanimité, la République de l'Union de Myanmar doit prendre des mesures effectives pour prévenir la destruction et assurer la conservation des éléments de preuve relatifs aux allégations d'actes entrant dans le champ d'application de l'article 2 de la Convention pour la prévention et la répression du crime de génocide. 4. À l'unanimité, la République de l'Union du Myanmar doit fournir à la Cour un rapport sur l'ensemble des mesures prises pour exécuter la présente ordonnance dans un délai de 4 mois à compter de la date de celle-ci, puis tout rendu sa décision définitive en l'affaire. Merci, Monsieur le Président.
Thank you. And Shue appended a separate opinion to the order of the court. Judge Cansado Trinidad appended a separate opinion to the order of the court. Judge Ad hoc Kress appended a declaration to the order of the court. The text of the order is available from today in TypeScript. It will be available shortly on the court's website. The printed text will be available in due course. As the court has no further business before it today, I declare the sitting closed.
To iAfrica TV that features Gambia. This is iAfrica TV. This marks the end of the proceedings marking the ruling on the Gambia-Myanmar case, genocidal case against the people of Rohingya. Now, the International Court of Justice delivers its order on the Gambia's request for indication of provisional measures on the application of the Convention of the Prevention of Genocide. This is 9 o'clock when the case started in the Gambian time, and from all indication we could recall that the request for indication of provisional measures was submitted by the Republic of the Gambia in November 2019, and the public hearing of the case which began on the 71st anniversary, the 71st anniversary of the United Nations Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of Crimes of Genocide was conducted or concluded on the 12th of December 2019. And this gave the International Court of Justice about 1 month to do its deliberation. And today we've just witnessed the ruling on the order requested by the Gambia. The president of the court was there, and with a marathon ruling and summary thereafter, this will coincide with the reports that Gambia submitted on the situation in Myanmar in August 2017, when the military cracked down on the Rakhine state, causing mass exodus of Muslim minority in Myanmar to the neighboring places in Bangladesh. So with me is colleague Julde Njai, who also observes the proceedings here on iAfrica, and to discuss some of the observations. Julde.
Good morning and welcome back to another edition on iAfrica TV. Like he said, my name is Julden Yai, and we have been following the proceedings there in The Hague on the case Gambia Gambia versus Myanmar case on the application, Gambia has sent, saying that there is genocidal intent in Myanmar and the unfair treatment of the people of Rohingya states. And what they have said there, basically a summary of it, is that the court records that Myanmar notice applicant in the case is admissible and under the genocide convention there. And also we had that the court also pays special attention to the documents and the content under the the UN fact-finding mission that went to Myanmar there to ascertain whether there is actually genocide or not. And of course the court also notes that the report on the fact-finding mission welcome the efforts of Gambia OIC to pursue the genocide case. And it also shows that notes that the Gambia pursue the case as an independent body or as a member of the convention on the prevention and punishment against genocide. So these are some of the things that we have observed. So Press, you tell us more of the observations the case or the court made on the rulings of the Myanmar versus Gambia case.
So one of the landmark argument that was brought forward by Myanmar is actually whether the admissibility criteria was in place. And Myanmar did a strong argument on the Article 8, which reads, any contracting party may call upon the competent organ of the United Nations to take such action under the Charter of the United Nations as they consider appropriate for prevention and suppression of acts of genocide or any other act enumerated in Article 3. So the defense team of Myanmar on the case around the 12th of December argued bitterly that this is not enough to justify Gambia's taking the case to before the world's court. But today in the ruling we've noticed the judgment indicating that this was not a strong argument in the side of Myanmar. The fact that Gambia is a member of the United Nations and like any other member is free and guaranteed the right to take up case when and wherever necessary. So I think this was, had this been blocked, it would be difficult for Gambia to go to the next stage.
Yeah, of course.